another beauty I have, Germany. Okay, let me come because I don't want to block the beautiful ladies. So, Germany, yeah. Tell me your name and how's your day?
Okay, namaskaram.
Wow, namaskaram.
Namaskaram. Na Peru Silvia Mario.
Oh, don't tell me, she's giving me a heart shock. She speaks so good.
Thank you
You're
so
practicing
much.
a lot on that.
Practice, yeah, a little
Great,
bit.
Go on. We want to.
Nenu Miss World Germany.
You're giving me a shock again. You're going so good. Come
Thank
on.
you so much.
So I think she'll do the interview in Telugu.
No.
The first-
But I'm trying to
No,
learn.
that's super. That's a great initiative. I loved it. These 3 lines you said so perfectly. So how you learned it? First, tell me what kind of like research you were doing and whom people are helping you to learn this Telugu language.
Actually, I love languages.
Okay.
So I've learned 15 in my life. So I speak 6 fluent, but I've learned 15. And it's something that I really love. So when I was hearing that Miss World would be in Telangana, I was like, I already speak a little bit of Hindi. So I was like, okay, I also need to learn Telugu because it's also a language that's spoken here. And that's what I did.
Wow, I'm great. So you learned only 3 things or any other you're learning? You can please share with us that language or lines you're learning.
I mean, mostly I've been learning Hindi and
Okay.
just in Telugu, just 1 or 2 sentences.
That's
not
it. What's
that's it.
starting?
Yes.
Hello, Ella Naru.
Thank you. Something
Thank
like
you.
that. Yeah.
You can say Ella Naru.
Elanaru.
Oh, nice. You're superb. So how the days are going in Hyderabad and exploring the food and culture? How everything is going on?
I mean, I really love it here. It's actually my second time in India. I was in India before already. And I love Indian culture, Indian food. I also love Bollywood movies.
Yes.
So I'm really happy that the contest is happening here. I also like Indian fashion. So I'm wearing.
Oh, these are all Indians.
Yeah.
Wow, super.
I always like to
Lovely.
wear Indian
It
jewelry.
suits you so
I really
well.
love it.
Oh.
So yeah, I'm really happy that we're here in Hyderabad, and it's my first time in South India, so in Telangana, and I'm really loving
So
exploring.
before that, when you came to India, where you went?
I went to Delhi,
Okay.
Taj Mahal, Rajasthan,
Okay.
and also Bombay because
Okay,
of Bollywood.
So you have explored so much in India, I must say.
yes,
So
I really.
in Bollywood, what you have explored? Tell me, whom you have wanted to meet, what movies you have watched. At least from this medium, we can tell them the Germany is here. You can come and meet her.
So I love Bollywood movies. My favorite actress is, of course, Priyanka Chopra, who was also Miss World.
Yeah.
And male favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan, of
Wow,
course.
Shah Rukh Khan, I love you. I interviewed him. He's such a nice man.
Oh my God, it's my dream to meet them.
Okay.
Actually, I like all the actors, also Alia Bhatt and Deepika. And
You know so many, man.
yes,
Okay.
I love all of their movies. And what I love about Indian movies is that they always have like a societal message. You know, they make you emotional. I always start watching a movie thinking, okay, I just want to distract myself, and then half of the movie I'm already like so emotional and crying because they always have a message, and that's something that I really, really, really appreciate.
Wow.
So yeah, that's why I watch them actually.
Did you plan, if you get a chance, I think after watching this and they love you, the way you are presenting yourself, will you take the offer to work in Bollywood?
I would love to. Actually, when I was in Bombay, I really enjoyed the city. And I told her, I was with my sister, right? So I told her that I would love to live here and work in Bollywood for a year if it works. I need to practice my Hindi a little bit more. But yeah.
What have you learned in Hindi? Let's do that in Hindi.
Okay. What can I
A
say?
message you can say in Hindi.
Okay, maybe I can say something to the Indian
Whatever.
fans.
Yeah.
मैं आपको बहुत शुक्रिया कहूँगी. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मिस वर्ल्ड इस साल भारत में है और जी बहुत शुक्रिया.
Germany, you're absolutely, my God, you've taken my heart. Really, you've taken the heart of Indians, right?
Thank you so much.
And any song have you learned or you heard about something about Telugu cinema?
I've heard about Telugu cinema as
Yes,
well.
what?
So there's the song Batabama.
Batabama, da 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 da. Oh, you remember?
Like that, yeah.
So you must be proud of it that she's doing your song. The actor is Allu Arjun. Yeah.
Yeah, I really
You know
love that
him?
song.
Allu Arjun, you heard
I
his
mean,
name?
I haven't heard his name. I watched his movies, but I love the song. It came up,
Really?
I think, 1 or 2 years ago
You're
on my
singing
playlist.
so well. I mean, I wanted to hear it again. Oh, yeah.
Batabama, nanusutu kuntive. Something like that.
Germany, you're awesome. You've taken my heart today, really. I think it's at high time. I think very soon you will learn Telugu also because already you're learning so many languages. How many languages till now you have learned?
15. Yes.
Can you name them? What are the
Yes,
languages?
okay. So I'm fluent in German, Spanish, English, French, Italian, and Portuguese. And then I've been learning Chinese, Burmese, Thai, Vietnamese, Turkish, Arabic, Hindi, Urdu, and Indonesian.
Urdu.
Urdu, थोड़ा सा.
आपके फैंस के लिए थोड़ा उर्दू में मिजाज हो जाए
कुछ भी.
आपका जो मन कहे
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. भारत और हिंदुस्तान एक बहुत अच्छा कंट्री है और जी मुझे बहुत पसंद है. बहुत पसंद है.
कुछ गाना वाना भी सीखा है आपने गाना सॉन्ग
Song.
हैव यू लर्नड एनी नहीं उर्दू नहीं हिंदी और एनी अदर
झुमका कीरा रे बरेली के बाजार में. झुमका कीरा रे बरेली के बाजार में. झुमका कीरा हाय हाय हाय. झुमका कीरा रे बरेली के बाजार में.
And you know, I have your jhumka also here.
Yes.
The beautiful jhumka. It suits with your song today. You made my day. Really, I had a wonderful, moments. That's unforgettable of my
you so
life.
much. Thank
So I think all of you are looking stunning. You're doing so best, and best of luck to you. You're already a winner. Really, for me, you all are winners. Great.